Next, the pistons and the piston rods. The pistons will be pushed down by the expansion of compressed air, and turns the crankshaft. And the valves, which controls the flow of air and fuel into the cylinders. These valves are driven by the intake camshaft, and the exhaust camshaft, and the camshafts are driven by the crank itself, using a timing belt. There will be idler pulleys, and a tensioner pulley, to hold the belt tight in place. This here, is the internal structure, of a 4-stroke, inline 4-cylinder, DOHC engine, which is commonly found in most hatchback and sedan cars. A 4-stroke engine should pass through 4 different strokes, to complete one cycle to produce power. They are intake, compression, power, and exhaust stroke. The crank-to-camshaft ratio is 2:1. Which means it will take 2 crank revolutions, to complete 1 camshaft revolution. And the camshafts are designed in a responsive manner, to open or close based on the corresponding